49ers.
We got a punter.
Mitch Wishnowsky.
I will let you guys in on a secret. I don't scout punters. I don't waste my damn time with it.
I think this is Dirk Nowitzki's cousin.
I don't bother with punters. I don't sit around watching their tape. I go and look at their stats. Mitch is pretty good. You don't spend a 4th-round pick on a punter. Get the hell out of here, Niners. That's an F. You want me to be mean? Why you drafted punters in round 4? Come on. He's a good punter, but he's not Michael Dixon good.
I don't know who Michael Dixon.
It's a Texas punter that I actually did kind of watch because he actually was the only punter I ever wanted to watch in my entire life because he was actually that fun.
So we're seeing a lot of F's in the comments section.
Michael Dixon went 149, and the Utah kid goes 110. F. You don't draft punters in round 4.
Well,
you don't do it.
Apparently, Mitch Wishnowsky.
You had it right the first time, by the way.
Mitch Wishnowsky, cousins with Dirk Nowitzki. You're giving that one an F. That guy apparently doesn't, Tom. And we got a super chat from Tevin Ruff. He says, please, Tom, do not whip out your C. Don't worry. Tom's whipping out his F on this one. So, our kickers and punters, people too. Type Y for yes, N for no.
Look. Wishnowski's gonna be a good punter in the NFL. I can find punters as an undrafted free agent. I'm not wasting a guy that if you ideally literally never sees the field for you. I'm not doing that game. Ooh, he's gonna change field position. Come on, go for it on 4th down every time. That's my radical take. Never punt.
Madden.
Here's your F, guys. You wanted me to be more mean with my picks. There you go. I'm not going soft. You're going punter in round 4.
Yep, Tom, we can tell you're never going soft, right? All right, here we go now.
Crazy
The Falcons
people.